Okay, so this is a short video of how to start like your Screencastify video, which is the one that Mrs. Froman and I want you to use for your presentation, mainly because things like Flipgrid don't let you see the screen. They just kind of have a webcam, so we want to be able to see both your presentation and your face, I guess, your webcam. So Mr. Gregel, I've emailed him, I think, a couple times throughout this year, but I did when we thought up this project too, just to make sure that Screencastify is on all of your Chromebooks, and he said that it has been for quite a while. What you need to do, though, is when you are on your presentation, you just need to go up to the top corner, the top bar, and look for this little pink arrow thing with the video camera in the middle, and that's the Screencastify button. Oops, what happens when you click on that? If it lets me when I'm recording another video. Come on, you can do it. There we go. So this screen will pop up here. What you want to have clicked and enabled or highlighted is you want to have the desktop button here. That shows your desktop, meaning your screen, so I'll see the presentation. You want to have your microphone turned on so we can hear you. And we want you to embed the webcam, which means that there will be a little tiny box with you in the bottom corner. Once you get that done, you'll hit record. You will pop up here eventually, assuming that there's not, yep, it does for me. There weren't any issues with me recording. And then there's usually one other screen that pops up. Yep. I actually have two monitors hooked up, the one that's on my laptop and the one that I hooked up from my computer. So you should probably only have one screen to choose from, but screen one is my computer screen, my laptop screen. So I'm going to click share after I clicked on it. You notice that it's highlighted. It's got a box around it, in other words. And then you click share. You'll see that it says Screencastify is recording. And it will start recording. Usually it counts down like it's doing right now. Okay, so now you go through and you present your presentation. You talk about it just like you would be if we were doing this in front of the whole class. Obviously, you're not going to have the pressure of being in front of a bunch of people, but you just go through each slide, tell us about it. Keep it under 5 minutes. That's all, because that's, I think, what Screencastify lets you do is a 5-minute video, and then it cuts you off. Once you are done, you click pause, but you can click pause if you need to, you know, take a break, start over, collect your thoughts, anything like that. But once you've finished the video, you click end recording, the little square button. What's up, kiddos? Okay, well, I'll take care of that here soon. I'm making a video though. Yeah. Okay. So once you click that end button, it's going to start playing your video. So you can check it, you can watch it to make sure that it's all right. It automatically downloads to Google Drive. So I don't need you to put it to YouTube. I don't need you to share it. You're going to have to share it to Classroom, but we're going to do it in a different way. All you have to do is once it finishes loading to Google Drive, you should be able to just hit enable or copy shareable link, and then you'll go to wherever the assignment is in Google Classroom. And how do I get there from here? I'm not going to be able to do it from a student perspective, but you'll go to wherever the instructions are for that day, the recording, which posted today. And then you put it in here. It looks different than what it's going to look like on yours. So that's about as specific as I can get with the teacher version of Google Classroom. I'm not able to see it as a student, so that's, oh, maybe let me do this. I'll go to one that I'm actually a student in that had an assignment. Removed it, didn't I? Wonder if you made an assignment. Yeah, no assignments. Speech therapy for Eli. It's just an announcement. Darn. I was hoping that I could show you with some of the ones that I'm actually a student of sorts in. But I think the only one that I could have done that with, I got rid of, and I don't know how to add it right now. So anyway, you just put that link in there, or you attach a file and you find the name thing that you made. You can change the name if you want to and call it my name presentation on mass extinction. Name it right there. You can do a lot of things in the Screencastify video processing area without actually having to go to Drive. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I think we should be good to go. Good luck with that, and hope to see you at some point this year.